Hello everyone, in this video I will explain you the difference between logistic regression and linear regression. So let's start this video. So both logistic regression and linear regression are used in supervised learning. But the difference here is that linear regression is supervised regression model and logistic regression is supervised classification model. So what does that mean? So linear regression will predict in continuous data. So what does that mean? For example, you are selling your old RTS 3060. So you are predicting in how much price you will sell that on the basis of hours used. So you are predicting in hours. So that is continuous data, that is in number. So we use linear regression in where mathematical data is used. So we are predicting in something like that. The price could be anything, like you are selling it in $240. But here in logistic regression, we are predicting in categorical data. For example, here is you have a car that is 2-year-old and you are predicting that it is old or new. So yes or no, 0 or 1. This categorical data, yes or no, 0 or 1, binary. Okay. So the equation of linear regression is this. Here, y is equal to a0 plus a1 x1. So where y is dependent variable and x is independent variable. Y is the variable which we are predicting on the basis of x, which is independent variable. So where a0 is the intersection of the line, which means if x value is equal to 0, what will be the value of y? What will the value of, so here not this thing, x is equal to 0, what will be the value of y? And we show it in a graph like this, okay? Whereas y is also here dependent variable and 1 plus e power minus a0 a0 plus a1 x which is independent variable. So the difference here is that by using this equation in linear regression, we get data in continuous data. For example, that RTX card example which we were selling, RTX card, so graphic card, so that we are getting $240 in result value. So but here what we get is, by using this equation, we get the value between 0 to 1. It could be near to 0, 0.2, or it could be near to 1, 0.8. Okay, so yes or no, also in binary. So that is categorical data. Hopefully you have understand it. I have made a video about linear regression and logistic regression, both separate, where I show in depth what is that with example and mathematics behind there. You can watch it on my channel by going on the playlist of machine learning, or you can start the journey from starting. I have made the video from completely scratch. You can start from there and keep moving. If you want more exclusive videos, or you want me to make a personal video for you, if you want me to answer your questions, you should click the top link in the description. That will take you to my school community, which is made for people who love machine learning. By doing so, you will get exclusive videos there, answers to your questions, and personally videos made for you according to your request. By doing so, you will support me and this channel, because I am doing this full time and this is my only job. Thank you.